Guys, Rawi na. Umarap na sa mga house challengers duo. Kaya panoorin natin ta. Alright. Wait lang. So, ito na.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng Big Tapatan, Team Rawi na ang susunod na haharap sa Duo Challengers.
Sanay po kaming lahat na okay dito po sa loob ng bahay nyo. Ayaw naman din po namin na ma-disrespect po sila at masira po yung relationship na na-build namin.
All we really wanted to do was stick by each other's side and just be honest. Kami ay nandito para ipahayag ang aming desisyon sa tanong ni Kuya kung karapat-dapat ba kayong bumalik dito sa bahay. At ang napag-usapan namin ni Will kanina ay hindi. Hindi namin tingin na ang mga ex-housemates ay karapat-dapat bumalik dito sa bahay. There are qualities that people look for in Big Four and the Big Winner, and hindi naman namin sinasabi na porket wala na kayo dito, na wala sa inyo yung mga qualities na yun. Pero for us din, it's out of our control who the people choose to stay and who the people think should be in the
Ano ba
Big
si
Four.
Ralphie?
Everyone has their own journey. Everyone has their own timing, and impossible na may nag-aabang na plano para sa inyo sa labas ng bahay na to.
Funny you said that, bro. Perfect timing. Eh, ikaw nakabalik ka as a wild card. So what makes you so special?
Pag ikaw pwede, sila hindi pwede.
I deserve to be here.
Ooh.
The people chose me to be here, and because they thought my story here wasn't done yet.
The people also chose you to be
believe-
evicted.
Yeah.
Yes, and it was also your choice to join the wild card.
It was my choice to join the wild card. It was also your choice to join the wild card. Your choice and your choice as well. So from then on, we were all on fair ground. We all had our chances to be able to get back into the house again.
Isa sa mga importanteng quality ng isang big winner ang pagpapakatotoo. You know, hindi tayo close nung una. At umalis ka. Nung bumalik ka, nag-iba yung trato mo sa akin. Dahil ba to, alam mong malakas ako sa labas.
No?
Ginagamit mo ba yung alam mo sa labas?
Na malakas.
Dinominate mo si Will, tapos ginawa mo final duo?
Stop!
Kasi malakas.
Big
Whoa.
Sabi
Has
niya
an
yung stuck
advantage.
in this house.
But you
kept
nominated
posting and
him
you're updated
twice.
naman eh.
Can I address Shuvi first? Is that okay with everyone? Sure. What happened was, Shuvi, we weren't close before, and I opened up to you how I really found the problem with how you were dealing with the other housemates before. And I feel like that alone shows that I was being true, na nagpapakatotoo ako. Kasi kung hindi ko sasabihin sa'yo yun. Hindi ko aaminin sa'yo na nagka-problema ako sa'yo dati. That's me being as real as I can. And with regards to Vince, na-nominate ko nga si Will. Pinili ko siya dahil nakita ko yung growth niya. And regardless of whether I nominated him or not, we formed a close bond that we've held on to for weeks on end.
Ba naawa kay AZ?
Again, I chose my final duo for a reason. Hindi ko pinush yung love team, hindi ko pinilit. Kasi if
Hindi pinilit, pero teka lang lapit ka sa kanya.
Bilang kaibigan ni AC.
Sorry to
Stop
that.
using her. Honestly, Ralph, ang kapal ng mukha mo. Why do you keep going near her? If you really have no intention of having anything to do with her, why do you keep going near her?
Pinapaasa niya yun, no?
Kasi alam niyo sa labas, kasi nakita na niya.
I was there for ages.
Pang-asar eh.
I was there for
Pang-asar si
love.
Vince yung
So,
tawa
I
niya.
don't think you can blame me for genuinely caring for another person in this house. And that's the sole reason why I keep making it clear every single time that I do not want any feelings to be miscommunicated.
Si Will nabubulok na
Si Will, nakikita ko naman na talagang palaban ka, but this is a collab, this is a duo thing, where I can't feel you, Will.
I'm sorry, hindi ako tinatanong eh. So,
No, I mean, anong naging ambag mo sa show na to? Why do you deserve that spot?
maybe yung iba sa inyo sinasabi na okay ako sa task.
bro. Speak up.
I can't...
Na okay ako sa task, nag-improve ako. Nakita niyo yung struggles ko eh, di ba? In-overcome ko yun, ninarap ko lahat yun. So I think, yun yung nagpapaka big for material sa akin. I'm not saying also na di ka deserving.
Tingin niyo fair.
Fair.
Na kayo yung nandyan and sila ate, Klang and Shuvi ang nawala ng spot.
Well, first of all, wala naman kaming control dun eh.
No, tingin niyo fair.
I think it's fair. I think it's fair kasi hindi naman kami nagdesisyon nun. At hindi naman kami nag-nominate sa kanila. Taong bayan nagdesisyon nun.
Hindi ba lumalaki yung ulo nyo or nagiging overconfident kayo na laging tingin sa inyo ng iba and tingin nyo sa sarili nyo, you're always on top?
No, hindi lumalaki yung ulo namin kasi alam naman namin talaga na competitive kami. Pero hindi namin hinahayaan na mawala yung pakikiisa namin sa mga housemates. Make sure pa rin talaga namin na okay ang lahat. Yung ginagawa namin para din naman sa mga housemates, hindi lang naman para sa amin. Yeah, napuprove namin yung sarili namin, which is a good thing, di ba? Pero sabi din ni Ate Klang, hindi naman nila problema kung magaling din kami, di ba? I think it's more of, doing our 100% best lang talaga every task. Also with making sure din na hindi siya pumupunta talaga sa mga ulo namin.
Rawi, ngayon ay bibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon upang makapagbigay ng maikling mensahe bago kayo umalis sa kwartong ito.
Very smart si Kwan, no?
Well, siguro,
Si Will,
first of
no?
all,
Nakaka-proud.
Miss you all of you. Love you guys. And I know na itong pagdidikdik nyo sa amin, itong interrogation nyo sa amin, medyo nag-enjoy kayo dito. Na papainit nyo yung dugo namin onte. Pero I'm happy to be able to hear all of this from you kasi I also wanted to explain these things to you.
Lagi kong sinasabi na kung pwede lang tayong lahat dito, kung pwede lang na hindi mag-nominate. Ang hirap na kalabanin natin yung isa't isa pero kami naman naiintindihan talaga namin ang buo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na miss ko na kayong lahat. Sobra. Sobrang thankful ako sa inyong lahat kasi isa kayo sa mga rason kung bakit ako nag-grow sa person at kung bakit ko nahanap yung totoong ibig sabihin ng pagkakaibigan.
Grabe,
Hindi ng
napaka-pure ni Kwan. Yung
Hindi ko man
pinag-iyak ako.
nasasabi sa inyong lahat pero sobrang proud ako sa inyo. Mahal ko kayong lahat.
Proud of you guys. Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Feels really hard po, Kuya. Especially to the ones that I got really, really close to.
Habit eh.
It was meant to push us to our limits. It was meant to bring out our true intentions, our true colors. And as long as we stayed true, we stayed consistent with what we were saying, we had no problems po.
Nagpakatotoo lang kami. Masaya po ako na nasagot po namin lahat yun.
Grabe.